Namaste everyone and welcome to my channel Sapna's Yoga Diary. In this video, I'm going to share another 15 minutes yoga practice which will be helpful for you. You can practice this every day. Sit in a comfortable cross-legged position. I'm sitting in Padmasana, but you can pick any cross-legged position that you are comfortable in. Close your eyes, focus on the breath. Keep your body still. Now we are going to practice one round of Om chanting. Deep inhale and with exhalation release the sound of Om. Start with me now. Deep inhale. Now feel the impact of Om chanting on your body and mind. And now let's begin with Kapalbhati. Breath out, belly in. Breath out, belly in. You don't need to rush. You do not have to practice it very fast. Just be comfortable. With every out breath, squeeze your belly in. Breath goes out, belly goes in. Breath goes out, belly goes in. Kapalbhati, keep practicing. Now slowly release and relax. Feel the impact of Kapalbhati on your body and mind. This practice is best to be done in the morning, empty stomach. Slowly bring your palms together, start rubbing. Feel the heat, feel the energy. Now bring this energy to your eyes, cover your eyelids and stay there for 3, 2, 1. Slowly uncover and open your eyes. Now slowly unfold your legs, slowly stand up. The practice will be done in the standing position only. Let me move slightly back. This is perfect. Now move your head side to side, as fast as is comfortable to you, maintaining normal natural breath. Keep your feet together, arms by the side of the body, totally relaxed. Now move your head up and down as fast as is comfortable with normal breath. Now rotate your head, one clockwise, one anti-clockwise with normal and natural breath. 5 rotations, complete 5 rotations, one clockwise, one anti-clockwise, and then relax. Alright, next, clenching your fist, thumb in folded with the 4 fingers. Deep inhale, hold the breath and rotate your arm in the forward direction for as long as is comfortable to you, maintaining the inhalation breath retention. The moment you feel you are not able to hold the breath anymore, you will bring your arms in front of the chest and exhale. Great. Now relax. Let your breath resume its normal pace, and then you will repeat the same thing in the reverse direction. Earlier we rotated in the forward direction, now we are going to rotate backward. When you are ready, clench your fist again. Deep inhale, hold the breath and rotate your arm in the backward direction for as long as is comfortable, maintaining inhalation retention. When you feel it's difficult to hold the breath, that is when you will bring the arms in front of the chest and exhale. Relax. The next practice, swing your arms back with inhalation, exhalation, return. When you take your arms back, palm will be facing each other. You'll try to bring the fingers closer. Exhale, return. Inhale, swing back. Exhale, return. Inhale, swing back. Exhale, return. Keep moving like that. Very nice. In the next practice, clench your fist with the right hand, take it back, hold it with the left hand from the wrist. Keep it in the middle of your back. See, this is how you need to hold. Feet together, head straight, eyes open. Inhale, bend back. Exhale, bend forward. Keep your knees straight. Inhale, bend back again. Exhale, bend forward. Keep moving like that. This is 3. 4. 5. Okay, now switch your arms. Now clench your fist with the left, hold it with the right from the wrist, keep it in the middle of your back and start. Inhalation, bending back, exhalation, bending forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Come in the center, inhale, release. Now for the next practice, you're going to open your legs as wide as is comfortable to you. Toes pointing outward. Spread your toes, push your heels down to get a good grip on the mat. Place your palms on your waistline, thumb in front, forefingers back, roll your shoulders backward. As you inhale, bend back. As you exhale, bend forward. Inhale, bend back as much as is comfortable to you. Exhalation, bending forward. Keep moving. Very good. Release. For the next practice, keep your feet together, arms opening sideways, lock your arms there. Deep inhale in the center. As you exhale, bend your body on the side. Inhale back to the center. Exhale, other side. Make sure you're bending only from the waistline. Your arm should remain in the same position. The bending happens from your waistline. Keep moving. Inhale, center, exhale on the side. Next, open your legs, shoulder level distance between the feet, extending your arms forward, fingers together. Rapidly twist back. Twist back, gazing at the thumb of the back hand. Constant twisting, constant exhalation like Kapalbhati. Exhale, exhale, exhale. Inhalation happens on its own. Relax. For the next practice, arms open, legs open. Inhale, arms close, legs close. Exhale. Don't hit your thigh, don't touch your head. Even arms won't be touching each other. You have to stay on the mat throughout the practice. So I'm moving on the side. See, inhale, open, exhale, close. Inhale, open, exhale, close. Go as fast as is comfortable. Remember, the sound should come only from the breath. Relax. For the last practice, clench your fist, extend your arms forward, inhale, bend down, come up, retaining the breath, rotate your arm back, exhale down. Inhale, bend down, rotate your arm, retention of the breath, exhalation down. Keep moving. Inhale, bend down, retaining the breath, come up, rotate your arm back, exhale down. Inhale, go down, retaining the breath, come up, rotate your arm back, then exhale down. Great. Relax. Do not lie immediately in Shavasana. Take some time. Once you feel the breath has slowed down a bit, that is when you have to relax in Shavasana. With your legs apart, head, neck, spine in one straight line, arms few inches away from the body, palm facing the sky. Allow your whole body to relax in Shavasana. At least 5 minutes of Shavasana is essential. I hope you enjoyed practicing with me. Do let me know how you found these videos. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Namaste.